Hi, today for the OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to wallpaper and style. After that tap to always on display section and click to the switcher to activate AD option. Then you can click to contextual info to just use the music information. For example, on the lock screen, if you use, for example, the Spotify or another methods. Also, we can click to more display settings and to change display options just in power saving mode, to set the schedule of the AOD, just start and the end time, or just to use it all day, and to change here the info which you will show on your AOD. So that's it, that's how to activate on this always on display option on OnePlus 11 device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.